Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of the triangle and its properties. This is second question of its exercise 6.5. So the question says that ABC is a triangle right angled at C. If AB is equal to 25 cm and AC equal to 7 cm, find BC. So हमें perpendicular and hypotenuse given है, हमें base find out करना है. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So हमें given है AB equal to 25 cm, AC equal to 7 cm plus BC हमें base find out करना है. So BC square is equal to 625. 25 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 625 एंड 7 के स्क्वायर को हम इधर शिफ्ट कर देंगे, सो हो जाएगा -49. सो BC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 576. So BC is equal to root over 576 and root 576 हो जाएगा हमारे पास 24. So BC is equal to 24 cm. So इसका बेस हो जाएगा ट्राइंगल का 24 cm. Thank you.